Hey guys, it's Magic Mail Monday, and I'm super excited because I have been waiting for this package for so long. So, open it together. We have a package from Castle Babe Co., who is like one of my favorite pin makers. And I ordered this a while ago. It was a pre-order, so I remember one thing that's in here, but I know I ordered some other goodies that I will have forgotten about. So we'll see. So we're gonna dive right in. She has her name above her return address, but there's no any sticker or whatever. It is a fun, bright package, which is always good. So we've got my receipt. As you can see, there's a few things on there. Seriously, if you have never looked at her stuff, it is beautiful. Everything. I've ordered things before from her, and she never fails to impress me. So, we got a little crumpled in the mail, but that's not her fault. This first one, sorry, it's my phone, are the Millenial Pink ears. Look how freaking cute those are. And she's got her logo up here. She's got cute little stars in the background. And then at the bottom, she's got her website. So cute. The camera's not really doing justice, but it is so sparkly. Love. And she just has normal metal backs on the back of there. Let's see. Oh my god. Best stuff. Okay, so got this epic sticker. Look how beautiful that is. What could possibly be worthy of putting this on? I don't know. Couldn't tell you. But I had to buy it just in case I found where it could go. It'll probably go on my computer, in all honesty, but I don't know. It's just beautiful. This was her special. I think it was 2-year or 3-year anniversary of her shop being up, so she made this cute design at Disneyland, and I just love it. So, these other ones, I ordered a few, so they're in a little baggie here. Oh my god, I love her stuff! Okay, this one, these mini balloons. And I love her stuff because everything is so cute. Like these cards I can't even speak. This card has little castles all over it. It's got her logo at the top right here. And I'm assuming that's her. She's so freaking cute. Just adorable. Little Mickey balloons in there. And then at the bottom, it's got her website again. And this one, they all four have little pink backs. So cute. What else we got? We got a few other goodies in here, guys. So this one got pretty rumpled in the mail, but it's still beautiful. Here's the card. It's got a nice gradient fade on there, and this is a more simple version of her logo. Love. And this guy is a necklace with, let's see if it'll focus. Come on. Well, we can't really see it, but it's the sun from Tangled. And I wanted this for so long, and I finally was just like, I just gotta buy it for myself because nobody's gonna know I want it. So, Merry Christmas to me. And then we got 3 more goodies, guys. 3 more. And these are all individually wrapped in their little Ziplocs, which is just attention to detail, man. You don't get that kind of stuff at little, I don't know, at the retail nonsense stores. So here we go. This is that same design from before. Look at how cute that is. From that sticker, it's the same one, but it's a really nice pin. I think it's gold. So even the little shadow of the girl is gold. It's just beautiful. Oh my god, I can't. And then these. Oh, I love Magic Mail. It's just the best. You know, everyone else is like Christmas shopping, and I'm like, yes, get me my deals on my Magic Mail. Okay. She did a whole collection of sweets. So these were, I forget what they were called. I feel terrible. I should have looked this up before videotaping. But this one was Cusco's. It's a little ice cream sundae. It's got the little squeaky squirrel up here. Squeaker, squeak, squeak, squeaking. And the emperor's little hat. I'm such a nerd, oh my god. And it's so sparkly. You cannot see that at all, but the ice cream is like gorgeous. And then we got this one, which is Rapunzel. And again, I mean, just check out that sparkle. I mean, it's not even like going in focus, and you can see it's like blinding. But this one is adorable. It's got obviously Pascal like peeking over the edge. Little lantern on top of there. And you can't see it, but in the ice cream cones, actually, the banners from the town, and in the middle is that little sun again. And those sparkles, man, I'm not kidding. Those are just beautiful. Can I get that like as a shirt or tattoos? That sparkly? Come on. Love it. But yeah, her stuff, I mean, as you can see, she does everything down to the little detail. There's no additional freebies or gifts, which that's fine. I am amazed by the stuff I got and paid for. And I think one fun thing, I don't know how I feel about it from a branding standpoint, but every single card is different. So, like, I think it's fun that the backgrounds are changing. This one's got that gradient, solid with stars and castles, but I don't like that her logo's not the same on them. If you can see, I think this is her older one, or I don't know, but these are the more simple ones, and this one's not related at all, so that's kind of disappointing, but that's just me nerding out about consistency. And I gotta check one of these puppies, because I always do. Let's see. Yeah. No, there's no logo on the back, which I'm surprised, because she's been around a while, hence the anniversary pins. So I would say that's a major thing that she should try to do. I feel like she's a big enough shop you could search the design and it would probably come up, but like other people have probably done Millenial Pink ear pins. You're going to get a lot of people. So like if I put this on my board and then I take it down in a month or two and want to share, I'm not going to know it's from her. I mean, I will because I made this video, but most people would not, and then she could lose out on that free promotion. So well, you guys should all listen to my shirt. That just reminded me. It says, be nice. Go show her some love. It is Cyber Monday, the end of Cyber Monday right now. So I think you should go check out her stuff. She's got some cool sales going on, I know. And honestly, a lot of these small shop pin makers and flair, whatever you want to call it, they run really good sales because they're so small and they understand like the pure excitement of Magic Mail and want to just deliver that. So go find them. And if you need suggestions or direct links, I'll link everything in the blog post with this video and breakdown and tips of how you can brand your own packages to be on Castle Babe's level, because holy crap, hers are always amazing. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, Magic Mail Monday. I did a haul, like a whole bunch. I think we did like 40 packages or something, me and my sister. But that one is taking much longer to capture and write all the notes and everything because I gotta tag all the shops. So, but get excited. I'm gonna be posting those closer to Christmas. So, more Christmas Magic Mail is coming. Best kind of presents. Alright, thanks for following along. This is Kelly, Star Castle Studio. Be sure to subscribe so you can keep catching up on Magic Mail Monday. They happen every other Monday. And on those other Mondays, we do Star Castle Spotlights featuring small shops and artists and creatives. So join us. Be nice, guys.